Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about what is IT Project Management. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is IT Project Management? IT project management is the process of planning, organizing, and overseeing the development and implementation of information technology projects within an organization. IT project management involves a range of activities including number 1, defining project scope. This involves identifying the goals, objectives, and requirements of the project and defining the boundaries of what is included and excluded from the project. Number 2, planning project activities. This involves developing a detailed project plan that includes timelines, budgets, resources, and milestones for the project. Number 3, managing project risks. This involves identifying potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate or manage those risks throughout the project life cycle. Number 4, monitoring project progress. This involves tracking the progress of the project against the project plan and making adjustments as needed to ensure that the project stays on track. Number 5, managing project stakeholders. This involves communicating with project stakeholders including project sponsors, team members, and end users to ensure that their needs and expectations are met throughout the project. Lastly, number 6, ensuring project quality. This involves ensuring that the project meets the highest standards of quality, security, and performance, and that is delivered on time and within the budget. IT project management requires a range of skills including project management expertise, technical knowledge of IT systems and technologies, and communication and leadership skills. Effective IT project management is essential for ensuring that IT projects are delivered successfully and meet the needs of the organization and its stakeholders. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about what is IT project management. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you have some comments, questions, kindly leave in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much again for your support by watching, like, and share. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.